Hey guys, this is Russell with the Droid Guy, continuing my coverage of the Samsung Galaxy S Fascinate. What I'm going to do here now is I'm going to show you, just to give you a visual comparison of the Fascinate next to a HTC Nexus 1. Now, we're going to go ahead and give you just a basic size comparison. Both of them resting on my finger, you can clearly see that they're a little bit, the Fascinate is a little bit taller. And putting the Nexus 1 in front of, to give you a more even comparison, you can also see that it's a little bit wider. Putting them side by side like this, a little tiny bit thinner. Give it to you from here too. You can clearly see that it's a larger phone, marginally larger. And one of the other things we're going to take a look at here is, just the actual quality of screen. Now, what I've done is turn the volume down on both of these as far as the, the brightness. I've just kind of toned it all the way down. And with the brightness all the way down, you can clearly see that the Samsung AMOLED is brighter. And it's not just the background either. I mean, the screen in, it's a nicer quality screen. I love my Nexus 1, but this is a pretty serious improvement. Now, each one of them have the 4 soft navigation buttons on the bottom. That's a kind of a standard in Android right now. But the Galaxy S actually does something a little different, which I think is kind of nice. We're going to touch the screen here, and everything's going to light up down here on the bottom. And I want to see if I can get this to do it quickly. But all the buttons down here, when you touch them, they animate. They flicker just briefly when you touch them. It's a nice improvement. So, taking a look here, like I was saying earlier, we've clearly got Bing, the app here, and as we swipe over, we've got VZ Navigator, we've got Bing Maps, all replacing the standard G apps system. Hold down the search, we do still get search for audio, which is the Google search. There's obviously not a replacement for that, so that's stock here. But everything else seems to be gone. Now, because of the advancements that have been made so far in 2.1, a lot of this stuff can still be replaced. For example, I've got Google Maps, I've got Google Voice. They're still available in the market. Google Translate. So a lot of our G apps are there. You just kind of have to install them. And that's something that I hope doesn't become a thing with Verizon, but some of the things that we've seen are certainly leaning toward this being a standard thing with Verizon right now. So if you're on Verizon and you're not going anywhere anytime soon, get used to this. Okay, launcher. So it's the Samsung Galaxy launcher where you swipe from one direction to the next, and pretty standard setup here. We're going to compare one more thing. I'm going to turn the camera down here so we can take a look at both of the phones at the same time. And what we are going to do is a boot race. Ready, go. Wow. Okay, so it's looking like out of the box. Samsung takes that by a landslide. Way, way, way faster booting than the HTC Nexus 1, which is actually still in its unlock. And it's actually just now jumping. As you can see, I'm rocking Cyanogen Mod 6 on my Nexus 1. So we're gonna have to give that to Samsung with a hands down on the boot. Now we're gonna try one more thing here, and that's gonna be the flash. Both of these have flash cameras built into them, so we're going to go ahead and set up their cameras. Okay, we're going to make sure that the flash is on as a standard on both of these right now. Right in front of you is HTC Nexus 1. So we gave that 3 different tests.
You want to get me a piece too?
Okay.
Alright, so we're definitely going to give the flash to the Nexus 1, even though this is an impressive flash.